Weather also a big story this morning. Millions of people are in the path of a late winter snowstorm this morning. Here's a look at heavy snow falling right now here in Manhattan. Up to 5 inches of snow could pile up around New York City. The Boston area could see 4 inches. The wind chill is below zero in some areas in the upper Midwest. The cold follows days of severe wind storms. Those gusts, look at this, lifted this 4-year-old in the air near Cleveland on Wednesday. Woo!
Whoa.
She held onto her front door with one hand and gripped a phone with the other as wind whipped her around. Her mother said she wasn't hurt, but boy, she got the ride of a lifetime.
She did it, but the girl knows how to hold on.